Flight number 212 on board, please proceed to the gate number 20.
Türk Hava Yolları'nın Antalya E212 sefer sayılı uçağına yolcu binişi bitiyor. Yolcuların 1 numaralı çıkış kapısına gelmeleri rica olunur.
Пассажиров, опаздывающих на рейс Turkish Airlines номер 212 Анталия просит срочно пройти на посадку к выходу номер Анталия. Please proceed immediately to boarding at gate number 20.
Очень спокойно. Это пипец.
На посадку приглашаются пассажиры приоритетного класса и пассажиры, нуждающиеся в сопровождении. На посадку приглашаются пассажиры номерами 18 вариантей и далее. Our aircraft ready for boarding. Senior passengers will be allowed to identify by seat number in order to facilitate your boarding process. We encourage you to get in the line according to the guide in which the seat number are specified. Firstly, our priority class passengers and the passengers in the seat.
Уважаемые пассажиры, Turkish Airlines 4002 Анталия.
Наш самолет готов.
So we passed everything and right now we are walking around the duty-free area and waiting for our gate to open. It's still a lot of time before we will get our airplane back here in Moscow, because it's right now maybe somewhere around the Belarus. Well, on check-in I got to meet a guy who looked like a YouTuber. Yeah, I had a strange feeling. So on his t-shirt there was a name, Ramen Adventurer, and I decided to search on the YouTube and I found his channel. This is the guy Brian from, well, formerly from San Francisco, but he lives in Japan. And guess what? Yes, he's traveling for ramen to try to eat every, I think, possible ramen dish in the world. I think so. Maybe we will have a chance to ask him again, because I want to ask him about the best ramens here in Moscow, in Athens, and in well, I forgot. And this Istanbul, of course. It was pretty fun to meet the guys, the guy who do the same job as well. We are here on Ready for Departure trying to do, but in the different angle. We love food channels. We really, all of us love to eat. So this is why I'm showing you the Vnukovo, and guess what? In the night it's quite crowded. I remember being here in Vnukovo and it was almost empty all the time. And right now I see a lot of people here. It's a very tiny airport. You don't have to walk around like in Istanbul, and you will see what we can do in Istanbul pretty soon. But it's everything is here. You can find pretty everything, and that's very great.
Kalkış öncesi incelemenizi rica ederiz. Uçağımızda 10 adet çıkış bulunur. Bunların ikisi ön bölümde, 4'ü kanat hizasında, ikisi orta bölümde, ikisi arka bölümde yer alır. Tehlike anında çıkış yönünüzü belirleyecek olan ışık until it is tight. To inflate, hold down red tag as shown. If the vest does not inflate, you might use the mouthpiece for inflation. A light is provided to attract attention. Inflate your vest when you leave the aircraft. If we do have to evacuate, you must leave all items and hand luggage behind to prevent blocking the exits. Civil aviation regulations require passenger compliance with crew member instructions, fasten seatbelt signs, all other illuminated information signs and placards. Our family here at Pegasus Airlines wishes you a pleasant flight.
So guys, this is a Ready for Departure channel, still Ready for Departure channel, and still Alex here. And while we are flying from Moscow, Vnukovo to Istanbul, Sabiha Gokcen, we will have a nice walk here in Istanbul. I will show you some of interesting moments that I have to experience here during my, well, 10-12 hours stay. And right now we are going to the very old, the first, I think, open air, maybe, or I'm not sure, but it's a very old Grand Bazaar here in Istanbul. I have to buy some spices. Well, I'm pretty sure that this is the most famous street thing in Istanbul, and you have to eat this one in the morning when all these street vendors get it from the ovens, from the places where it's being prepared. But let's try it. It's anyway great right now because it has so tasty bread filling. It's not that airy. I'm not sure how to say this. It's not that warm. It's a little bit maybe crispy, but it's fantastic. And it costs only 10 lira. It's 30 euro cents, I guess. And that's nice. But we are going to the Galata Bridge, and there I want to try the famous fish kebab. It has a special name here, but I think it's a fish kebab.
I may remind you from the words of our
So guys, behind me is another nice place called Babaliki Mehmet Usta, and they're making the fish kebab, fish shawarma. I'm not sure how to call it, and let's try it. It's spicy. There are a lot of spices outside of lavash. Lemon juice, yeah, and mint. I can feel mint. That's crazy. Я могу сказать, No, I started speaking Russian. I can say that it's one of the best things I ever tasted. I'm sorry for walking around, but definitely I think worth coming here and worth eating it. I think you can see there are a lot of fish. Things. But those guys are definitely incredible. Fish itself is very good. And the mix of the tastes, mix of the flavors is incredible. And I can say that organization of how they do it is pretty cool. 4 people making it and each of them doing something unique. And they do it fast. So I will continue to eat it without camera.
Türkiye'de 2 ay da var abi. Şahinler başka da yok ya. Yaşamış abi.
So, oh, the bread is okay. It's a little bit crispy because it was grilled a bit, but inside the taste is much less colorful. Fish is okay. Fish is grilled. Fish great. The onions, but the colorfulness of the tastes is not so intense. So I guess the lavash wins a lot compared to this one. So I guess this is our last stop here in Istanbul before we depart to the airport, and this is the hippodrome near the Blue Mosque, and we will be also on the square with the Hagia Sophia and Blue Mosque in between of it. But here I have a friend, and this friend is very important for me because I really love Egyptian history. And this is the obelisk of Thutmose III. This obelisk was taken from the 7th pylon of great temple or in Karnak, the Amun-Ra, and I think it's very beautiful. I mean, it's not that big as it was, but if you understand that this obelisk was made thousands of years ago, and well, that's just incredible. Thutmose III was a very important pharaoh of Egypt. He has to actually overcome his not owned. Well, it's a very complicated thing. The Queen Hatshepsut. It's for me, it's very hard to understand the relationship between them. I mean, to find the proper word in English. So, guys, we are in the most favorite place for me in whole Istanbul. It's a square between the Hagia Sophia that you see on the left and Blue Mosque that you will probably see in a few minutes on the right. There are so many people, everybody relaxed, everybody walking, doing something and just chilling. That's a really incredible place. So when you will be in Istanbul, I think you have to visit all those places that I showed you in between your flights. So enjoy, guys.
fasten your seatbelt. Before landing, we recommend you read the safety card, which is in your seat pocket. Thank you. değerli misafirlerimiz. Emniyetiniz için ikaz ışıkları sönünceye kadar kemerlerinizi çözmeyiniz ve yerlerinizden kalkmayınız. Lütfen uçaktan inerken kişisel eşyalarınızı yanınıza almayı, bebek can yeleklerini kabin ekibine teslim etmeyi unutmayınız. Başüstü dolaplarını açarken ve eşyalarınızı alırken lütfen dikkatli olunuz. Cep telefonlarınızı şu andan itibaren kullanabilirsiniz. Pegasus ailesi olarak bizimle seyahat ettiğiniz için teşekkür ederiz.
Dear guests, for your own safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt signs have been switched off. When you leave the aircraft, please make sure you have taken all your personal belongings and do not forget to hand back the infant life vest to the cabin crew. Please take care when opening overhead lockers. From now on, you may use your mobile phone. On behalf
So guys, we are in Istanbul. Right now I'm sitting on the ferry from Kadıköy to Eminönü, and after this I will go to hotel and then we'll relax in Istanbul for one day because tomorrow I have a flight to Thessaloniki. I hope you did enjoy this flight report. Of course, we're still learning how to do this, but I think it was very nice. And I hope you did enjoy the videos that I did in Istanbul and put in the middle of our flight. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to specially tip us for this video, you can use the super thanks, super comments and everything else, and of course the stream elements link in the description to the PayPal that give us a full amount of money that you can tip us, and nothing goes to YouTube or to any other places. So enjoy. It was ready for departure. It was Alex, and next flight report. And right now I have a very good view here and I have to go there.